What's up, traders? One trade today on AEHR using the pop and drop strategy. Let's get to it. All right, traders, so real quick before I show you the actual live trade, just want to show you that we checked the float real quick beforehand. It was around 21 million. Then we looked at the daily. We saw 197, a bunch of resistance at 213. You know, it goes all the way up, but tons of resistance to the left, and that's what we like to see when we're getting into these. We also had the 200-day moving average as well. However, you know, she was already through that before we made our entry, but sometimes, you know, she gets through the 200, people get excited, and that's how we actually get these pops up as far as we did. And that was that. Here's the live trade. All right, we're watching AEHR here for this pop over 2. Volume is starting to come in, which is what we want to see. If we want the pop over 2, we're going to need the volume to come in, it looks like. All right, there's the break of 2. And she went right back under. We're really looking to get in over 2 here. You know, looking at the daily, there's tons of resistance to the left here, so we might miss this trade. But we really want to get in over 2. With the float being a little bit higher as well, and knowing that this thing probably isn't going to run real hard if it does, I actually upped my shares to 400. Okay, here we go. We'd like this up a little bit higher. Okay, here we go. All right, just trying to feel the top here. All right, in 400 shares. Didn't want her to drop without me, and it looks like she's going to keep going. Okay. All right, well, we're going to probably look to add here. We're going to try to feel the top for real this time. Although it kind of felt like that could have been the top, but now the volume's really coming in. Just watching time and sales here. Kind of feels like she's topping. No, not yet. Feels like she might have a little bit more. Here we go. All right, now this feels like the top. See all the selling coming in? Feeling it. All right, we're going to take it right there. 400 more. Now we're going to look to dump these. We're going to try to get back down to our original size if she gives us a quick sell-off. We got 216, so you know me, I would like my 10 cents. We're going to look for 206. Doesn't look like the ask wants to come down there. Yeah, we're probably going to take these half right here. Yeah, we're going to take them right here. Didn't like how that was feeling. Felt like she might want to try to go back up. Excuse me. And there she goes. The reason we did that is so if she did go again, we could add those 400 shares back up near the top again, which she might do. She's not sure. She's slowing down here. As you can see, that volume came in pretty heavy. Okay, this is good. We're obviously looking for the 2 flush for the rest of these shares. All right, we're looking for the 2 flush. Here it comes. It's getting heavy. We're going to look to take half of our shares down here. Feels like she's got more here. She's really failing. She's under VWAP. We might look for VWAP to hold here and look to get these a little bit lower. Just trying to kind of feel out what she's doing here. We're going to see what she wants to do here at VWAP now that she's under it. I'm going to put an order in here for half the shares. So just watching, making sure she doesn't squeeze on us here. Yeah, she does feel weak. I think we're going to go for 188. What do you guys think? Yeah, I'll go for 188. We can get that 90 flush. We obviously feel we can get 88. I put it a little bit above the trade line, as you can see over there on the chart, around 185, because the odds are she might bounce off of there. All right, what's going on? Oh, awesome. All right, lost connection. Sweet. Right in the middle of a trade. We're back. We're looking for this 190 flush to hit our order down here at 188. Looking heavy. Here we go. 180, 189, and we're out of those 200 shares. All right, we're going to look to get these last ones down in the 170s. Probably above 175, probably closer to like 178. All right, we got our order in here at 176. I'm tempted to just take this at 180. She's looking like she's kind of forming a little bit of a base here. I don't want her to squeeze. And we're going to just take it here. Yep. Green, baby. Big trade. Nice trade for us. I am super happy with that. That's our first $100 trade with the new strategy. Boom. All right, guys, so that was my trade on AEHR. As you can see, I got a little antsy there on my last exit. You know, I saw the $100 popping up on the realize, I'm not going to lie, and I just wanted a $100 trade with the new strategy. And honestly, you know, she went under 180 and she came back over, and she looked like she didn't want to go back under 180 for good. As you could see, the bid wasn't really the ask wasn't dropping with the bid too much, you know, to get down under 180. So I was afraid she was just going to squeeze up, you know, towards VWAP, and, you know, if she goes over VWAP, I'm probably going to stop out the rest of my shares there, and that would have sucked. So I tried to take the safe route there and just, you know, took my profits, you know, take the dollars per hour, you know, as well, instead of maybe looking for the fade the rest of the day. So we just felt comfortable with it, you know. It is what it is, and I'm happy with it. So like and subscribe if you haven't already. You know, I appreciate the support as always. Questions and comments down below. I'll get to those as soon as I can. And I will talk to you guys tonight because we're doing the live stream. Don't forget to tune in. Peace.